Hey guys, we're back as promised. It's raining. We got the truck back in here. We did a couple of microwaves and AC unit today. Got them cleaned out. And my stuff. Here's Rad to that AC unit. And I got this thing. A Hayward Gold Line Aqua Troll above ground salt chlorine generator. We're gonna see what's inside of this. Why? Because that's what we do here, isn't it? We take things apart. Just that here, we need that later. Just to see what's in them. Because we're curious that way. And we might save some monies. We'll clip this cord off here first. Nice thick cable. Where do these go? These go right in there. Set this off the side here for now. Let's turn this over, see if there's any more screws in here. Oh, they're on the inside. Alrighty. Oh, look at that. Transformer bonus. I knew it was quite heavy. There had to be something in here half decent. That's a shred, I think. Check it. Yep. Shred. Now I gotta clip all these wires off first off. Get them out of our way. Put them in a crap wire bucket. And there. Let's start taking some of the stuff out of our way here, shall we? Ain't that cool? Set that up the side. I put my gloves on. I can see myself getting cut doing this. Because that's what I do around here. Cut myself. Ain't too much in this bugger, but we'll take whatever we can get out of it. Alright. So snip this wire, that wire. Listen to this. Set that board up the side. I need an extension. Then you're gonna do, oh, that's white. You gotta go on this side. There. I'll wake up sometime. Don't make bets on win because you probably lose. And a transformer. Set up the side. All the screws out of there. And come on, you cut. There we go. Use you guys out. Whoops. You're still hooked. Now you're not. There wasn't too much exciting there, was there? Don't need that. Back there. There. As promised, I need this again. That's too hard for my fingers to grip. Ouch. Oh, you're being a pain in the backside, you. That's one they're pretty good. I had my vice grips sitting here somewhere today, but I don't know where they went to. They're right in front of my face. That's where they're at. That's why I couldn't see them, eh? I'm on you. Why are you being so hard to get along with? I think what I'll do first, I'll check to make sure that is the copper. Watch your ears. Yep. That's copper. Nice copper. That one don't seem to want to work right. Let's try this one. What's up with this? I got no idea. It just doesn't want to come off. Let's try this one. That one came off easy enough. This one. All right, these two are being hard to get along with, so watch your ears. One. Two. That's it. So set that aside, split it up some other day. Where's my cutters at here? Cut right here. Let's bend. I'll straighten this up the best I can. Oh, ouch, sheesh. That's hard to fingers. I didn't break the skin. Down there. More copper. More copper. A little bit of copper. It was empty this morning. So, that was a quick video. Oh no, look at this. We got more of this stuff. That off, copper. All right. So, this copper here is all off one radiator. Well, one AC unit, I should say. See how much we got here for weight. Well, I guess we're unplugged, aren't we? Yes, we are too. We have power yet? Yes, we do. All right. It's cleared off. Let's see what we got in pounds for weight, shall we? Alrighty, so we got 0.8 of a pound of one radiator. Now that is just the lines off the radiator, or AC unit, sorry. That does not include the noodles. So we're going to have over a pound of copper. Where's my bucket? Where's my bucket? I think I'm standing on my bucket. Yeah, we're gonna have over a pound of copper in that one unit. Copper there. Got my good water somewhere. That's not it. Got a bucket. There it is. Moved out of my way. Dang it. Some good wire. All right, guys. We're gonna do a little bit of micro scrapping here before we're up the house. Take this apart. This is one of the jets off a barbecue I showed you yesterday in yesterday's video. Take that off. Take out this brass and this brass, and you'll have clean cast aluminum and a little bit of cast aluminum. Rather quick and easy to do. Put these down here out of the way. Show you one right quick here. Okay, all we gotta do is find the right bit. I bet you it's already on here. That back in here. Nope. That aside. This one? Nope. Is it this one? Yep. So these come up quite easy. There's nothing to it, just zip. I lied. Here we go. 2 little pieces of brass. And the bombs fell out too. They're on the ground, I'll find them. Yeah, it's the bomb skin radio too. And it's here. It's simple. Should come over there, adjustable wrench maybe. With a bit of persuasion. It's coming out just very slowly. Since it's all coming out at once, maybe I'll just take this and spin around like this. Here we go. Much smarter, eh? And here's a nice little piece of clean cast aluminum. There's usually 2 to 8 jets on each one of the barbecues. So it does add up. Put these here. So yeah, that's how you take care of the jets on barbecues. Quick and easy. What is this thing? All right. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. And we'll catch you on the next one. Y'all take care and God bless.